Hey queens and kings, welcome back and thank you all so much for watching as well as returning. In today's video we will be repurposing some Dollar Tree DIY items that I have done a while back and turned into this beautiful coffee table centerpiece. If you all would like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch. Hey queens and kings. Alright queens and kings, so we're going to start off with my repurposing DIY candle holders that I did a while back, which I will link at the end of the video as well as the iCard in case you want to watch it early. But I'm just going to repurpose these items here, and like I said, all of them did come from the Dollar Tree, the glass candle holders as well as the silver tea lights and candle holders as well. And I'm also going to use some of these craft balls here, which they're not a full ball or circle like that, but you're going to need 3 of them. I don't know why I have 2 of them. 3 paper clips, wire cutters, a bunch of flowers, which I'm going to be using yellow roses, which are from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to be using these garland gems here that I got from eFavorite, as well as my hot glue gun and glue stick. So let's go ahead and move forward. So the first thing first is I'm just going to re-glue these back together how I had them, nothing different, nothing special. All because I actually wasn't going to use these. I was just going to use the clear glass vases that you all see there. But when I remembered that I had these, I was like, why not? So let's just take this DIY repurpose to another level. Now for the next step is we're just going to start arranging our flowers all the way around these half craft moon balls. I don't know what you call them or whatever, but yes, I'm just going to start placing the bigger flowers on top, and I'm going to start arranging the smaller flowers around the side, you know, until I actually fill it up and get the desired look that I want. Okay, queens and kings, so here are my balls. I did a half ball. Well, the half moon, you don't have to do it all the way around, and there's a reason behind that. You guys will see that pretty soon. So I did 3 of them, and they're as full as I want them to be. So here's the medium-sized candle holder that I did, and I'm going to start off with this one first. Here I'm going to take my crystals that I got from eFavorite, and they are acrylic. I will link it down below to let you guys get it so you guys can shop for these yourself. Now I'm just hanging in here just to see how far I want it to be, and I actually want this one here because it's going to be directly in the middle. I want it to try to touch the bottom but not touch the bottom, and this is a 6-link garland with a pendant on it. Now the very beginning of this link garland, it does not have a jump rope, and that's the reason why, because I'm going to use this paper clip, which I'm going to cut down into 3 parts to actually make push pins, so therefore I can push them inside of the styrofoam. Okay, queens and kings, so we're going to move on basically the step that I was telling you guys about, where I'm going to use the paper clip as a push pin. and I'm going to push it directly up under the bottom of the styrofoam, so therefore the crystals can look like they are actually floating from underneath the flowers. And this is the look that I was going for, and this is the reason why I have this one directly in the middle, because I want it to be the longest one. I'm going to actually add 2 more, one on each side. So here's the second one, and at the bottom of this one I don't have the same teardrop. I just have like a different type of pin. I'm not sure how can I describe this or whatever, but I do have this 5 links long. So here I'm showing you guys once again where I'm using that same paper clip, and I'm going to cut it in half, and now I have 2 push pins. Queens and Kings, this was the most affordable way that I could have recreated this look or created this look, by using items that I have already used before and affordable items, like as using these paper clips for push pins, because these can be expensive if you go buy them from a craft store or anything like that. So I decided to just try to give you guys a different look with different items in my house, and just repurpose and come up with a gorgeous idea. So with that being said, I'm going to do the other 2 off camera. Alright, Queens and Kings, so here are my centerpiece for my coffee table, and I have to say I just love the way that these turned out. They are so gorgeous, so beautiful, and so simple and affordable. Everything on here came from the Dollar Tree except for the crystals that I got from eFavorite Mart, and once again I will leave them down below. And as you guys can see, I did add some little crystal picks inside the flowers as well. But I love the way these turned out, and even though this wasn't the original idea I was going for, I was just going to use the 3 glass candle holders, but I'm so happy that I remember that I had these candle holders. See, that's what happened when you're a creator. You be DIYing and forget that you have other things, but this was affordable. So I was so happy that I was able to repurpose these, but I love the way that these look. Now you can switch the flowers out for the year, the season, or whatever, and you guys know yellow roses are my favorite, so I had to go with these. So if you Queens and Kings enjoy this little simple, quick repurpose DIY, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe if you are new to the castle. Just stopping by to just say hey Queen, hey Queen or King. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye bye.